Welcome to the Good Times We Share. Today we're going to be sharing with you a very simple but tasty grilled vegetable recipe. We hope you enjoy it as much as we do. One of the things I love about this recipe is that you can prepare it with old vegetables and it will still taste great. So what we have today is green beans, carrots, and potatoes, of which you can even add other vegetables if you have, such as eggplants and baby marrows, and it will still taste good. The second thing I love about this recipe is that you can cook a whole lot and just preserve them in the fridge frozen, and after time it will still taste good once you warm them. So first step to this recipe is you're going to prepare your potatoes because they take the longest to cook. Peel them and cut them like so. And then you're going to prepare a nice big pot of hot water. Add salt to taste. Put in your potatoes to boil for about 7 minutes, just until they're tender to the bite. And whilst they're cooking, you can get back to your carrots. Prepare your carrots. I know the hassle of peeling carrots when they're in this state, so please try your best to remove all the peels. And after you've removed all your peels, you're then just going to start cutting them down like so. Cut them into half, and then you're going to continue slicing them in the same manner. Once you get to this point, you're just going to cut them into half because you need them in nice big chunks because you're grilling them. So do this with every carrot. Be nice and gentle as you are. Be patient with it. And yeah, once you're done, get back to your potato pot. Check if your potatoes are cooked. They are breaking easily, so they are done. Drain off the water. Put them in a nice big bowl and coat them with some butter. The amount of butter you put depends on the amount of potatoes you have. So once that is done, do it gently so that you don't break them up. Put them onto your grill. And one piece of advice is your carrots and your potatoes, your carrots and your green beans should never be salted, no matter what mix. All the other vegetables can be salted, but never your carrots and your green beans. So once that is done, drizzle some olive oil on them, and at this point you can spice them however you want. Put them in the oven for about 35 minutes at 150 degrees, and voila, this is what you have. Buon appetito a tutti. Until next time, it's bye-bye.